Here's how to set up Zimbra on your Android phone. On the home screen, tap the Applications button and then go to the Settings icon. Under the Accounts section, tap Add Account. Select Corporate Account from the other options. Enter your email address and password to the account. This is your company email address and your Zimbra password. This is the same one used to log into your computer. Select Exchange from the type of account. Enter your server settings. Your username is your company's email account. Your password is your Zimbra password. Your server address is webmail.netsolus.com. This could be different depending on your business. Your port is 443. Click Next. Configure your email account options. Your account setup is complete. You can optionally give this account a name. Click Done. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Brought to you by Netsolus.